Hello everybody, it is I, White Train Man. Welcome to a different type of video. Basically, first off, in front of me is a puzzle box that I printed for a friend. It's a Cthulhu puzzle box, so that's what this is in front of me. Cthulhu. Just to know, I may be typing a bit and respond to DMs. But yeah, so then I'm also, while I try and solve this, I'm going to be discussing some things with my channel. I have some papers here to help me on my conquest. Primarily just shows how to do the maze part. So yeah, if y'all wanna, I will probably put a link to the files in the description as well, if you have a 3D printer. Alright, so, oh wait, I think I put these on the wrong way. Well, not the wrong way, but I think this is supposed to, wait, no, this is, you're supposed to, yeah, okay, yeah, anyways, so, stuff regarding, alright, so, the thing is that I tend to ramble whenever I do these kinds of videos, so I'm going to be cutting in whenever I need to better explain what I was trying to say, because I happen to be really stupid and bad at explaining my point while trying to do a puzzle cube, including my Twitch. My thing with Twitch is that I love streaming and all that, but the problem is that I kind of got burned out. So basically the long and short of it is that I got burnt out on Twitch from doing an SMP almost daily on Minecraft, and doing that plus schoolwork and trying to get YouTube, it became this massive thing, and I got burnt out on it. I'm taking a bit of a break, and I should be back to streaming in a week or two after this video comes out. Just, needed to let you guys know that in advance. Myself to stream. Well, it's not the fact that I can't get myself to stream. It's that I just can't. It's that I'm just not motivated to stream, and that honestly really sucks. There. See that already. And there. That's that done. Alright. Yeah. Okay, but so I love streaming. Streaming is one of my favorite things to do, to be honest. But the problem is the fact that I'm burnt out on it. I love to stream, but I'm not motivated to stream, and I hate that, but I just don't want to, I don't feel like shit. Okay, so basically with this part, you have to turn the top here to get so it has some knobs on it, which I'll show you when I get this out, that you have to line up along here. And as much as I love to stream and all that, I'm not motivated to do that, at the moment at least. I want to stream more when when I'm motivated to do it again. I'm going to be streaming like my life depends on it. That should be that off. There we go. So as you can see underneath there, or if I gotta turn it the other way, there are these knobs, and they kind of stop it from being pulled out. So then just a thing up in there, which you gotta pull on. Kind of hard to do. I'm gonna grab this pencil. And so I am going to be streaming more again, but I just, not for a little bit. There you go. That's that. So as much as I love to stream, I'm going to be taking a break from that for a little bit. But do know that I will be streaming again sooner than later. I'll talk as I put this back together. Alright, so this is where what I start talking about just jumps off the rails, really. So, basically, I know that my uploads have been very weird lately, you know, jumping from actual Minecraft videos to other stuff, and it's just been going all over the place. And basically, I've been going through a bunch of old footage and old content that was recorded ages ago and editing that and getting it out there. And I know I've been doing a lot more of like losing bet and it's foggy and stuff, but those just come out whenever they happen, really. So I can't really super control that. I do have a lot more normal gaming videos to come out, and I will hopefully be doing. I will be revamping Creative Cons, and I'll be continuing it, but new server and all that. And I mean, I'm gonna be hopefully doing more games as well. Hopefully doing some R6 and doing some TF2 as well. So there's definitely a lot in the works. I need some more time to finish getting through some old content first. So I hope you guys can be patient with me with that. And I trust me, great videos are on the way. There we go. Who knew it would be more challenging to put the puzzle back than it would be to get it open. Actually, I found putting it in here pretty challenging, to be honest. But yeah, so I definitely am going to be doing more varied games soon. It's just a matter of when I can get around to them, or when I get around to editing them more accurately. So I gotta. This is getting a bit challenging to get this back in there. Okay, we're just gonna make sure that you're. So you need to be like there. There. That should mean you go down now. That's literally what that means. Why is this not working? All of us. Hey. No, fuck. Oh my god. Now it's just me struggling with putting the puzzle back together. Yeah, I'm literally at that last part. Yeah, I'm like literally. If I go here, which means it goes back up. Okay, there. Okay, I just needed a firm hit. Then I presume if I do that again, it'll. Alright. It's a little finicky. But then again, it's 3D printed, so I mean, you can't expect the best out of it. Oh my god. I know the person who I'm giving this to is most likely watching this. I don't. This isn't a testament to it being bad. This is a testament to me being bad. Oh my god. Yeah, there's much of me talking about my channel to me struggling to fix this. Which, hopefully, as I was saying, I'll be doing more types of games soon. I definitely want to be doing some R6 videos at some point. Okay, there, okay. But as I was saying, I definitely want to do some R6 videos at some point. You know, Rainbow Six Siege, for those who don't know that game. Yeah. I'm just, there's going to be a lot more types of videos. This is going to be completely unedited as well. I gotta go record the beginning of a TF2 series that, if this goes well, will be pretty fun. So, yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this update video and me struggling to open the Cthulhu puzzle box, and I'll see you all next time. But goodbye.